Okay, we continue to work with Bella on Concertino by Asch. This is Bella, and I'm Miss Elzevir, and we're going to work on the page 12, coda. So Bella is play, please, play 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5 bars and stop. Similar what we had on the beginning, the same key or different, remember?
It has more flats.
So it means like different key. Okay. So I want you focus, totally different key, and make melodic sound, not just hitting the keys, but beginning of this long phrase we can call it like song. Where's the beginning? Show me. Where's the very first note of this song? We're talking about this only 5 bars. Exactly. So C is the very first note. Which note is the last one? Yeah, you're right. I would say this melody finished low on a low C, right? And now just treat it like a song. It's like if you would play in totally legato. What is more difficult, legato or non-legato? Non-legato, especially when you expect it to make beautiful music, right? One thing if you're giving like play non-legato, right? But here is the very beautiful melody we need to create. So play non-legato. Thinking legato. So yeah, learn the notes so you could be more confident, right? Otherwise, how many flats? 3. Which ones?
B flat,
B flat, E flat, and
D,
A flat.
A flat.
So I think you are missing a couple of A's. So focus. B, E, and A. Good. Let's continue 1 octave higher. The same approach. And when you will do non-legato, keep in mind it's going to be and right hand and left hand. Okay? It's not like left. Should be like that. And you have a couple tenutas. D, C, just 2. right? We have right now. So tenuta, it's not really like accent, so you don't wanna. No, it didn't ask you for that. It just. Okay, play for me this part. No legato, no legato. You know, next time we're gonna check fingerings, but now do your best to figure out the best fingerings, and also I would suggest you play staccato. Just forget about legato, non legato, like this. Hands separate, hands together, staccato, fingerings next time. Okay, now let's pick up from this section and mezzo piano. Non legato. You wanna do staccato? Okay, play staccato. Wait, Bella. This is A flat and E flat. Yes. Go back. And now it's here. See. Dum da 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 da. Dum da 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 da. Dum da 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 da. A flat, A flat. A flat. Okay. So fix A flat, number one. Number two, fingerings here are crucial. Okay, and this is good fingerings. If it would not be a good, I would adjust and have a new, but there are good fingers. So Lauren, what's here? And Lauren, hand separate, okay? Because this, I told you probably before, the most difficult part. So it depends how you play well. These two bars, whole speed of entire piece will be the same. Let's say you cannot handle play fast, and you play like this. It means the whole piece will slow down and it's going to be very boring. Okay? So this is like a test. Can you actually move your fingers? And I didn't hear you play CNC, your last note of this phrase, coming to C. And after that you have the chords with okay, no, one more time, slowly. Okay, now I'm not expecting you play for me perfect fingers, just do your best, you're gonna learn them at home. A flat, Bella. And C. No. I think it's too high up. Local, right here. Yep. Mm-hmm. No. Ta-da. Yes. Yes. This is G. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's put together what we can. Emphasize for me each four. One, one, one. So it's 5 beats. I want you play stronger. Each one of group of 4. Da, 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 Can you just? Bye. One more time, You played some. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. count and accent. Okay. This was a little bit better already, like a little bit more clean. So make sure you, when you go up, remember accent down, accent like a waves. And here, I think we talk about this. You don't need to speed up so much because it's hard for me to catch you right here, understand where my part starts. So you need to kind of slowly emerge into this, the waves. Okay. So work on this part, on the transition, on speed. So you're not speeding up here. Okay. And just continue to work. Remind me next time. So we'll start with this, and you say, can you check my part first? And if it's well, we're gonna play together. Okay? Okay, bye. This is Bella, Miss Elsa.